So you might be in a situation where for some reason Spotify Wrapped isn't actually showing up. Now, Spotify Wrapped is that new cool little thing that Spotify throws inside of their version of their application and allows you to see exactly what's going on. Number one, the very first thing to keep in mind here is that you will have to make sure that Spotify is updated. If your Spotify application isn't updated, that's going to be the first problem you're going to run into. So make your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store, whatever you have, and just go through and update your Spotify app. So go through, find the application like this, and go through and update it. That is going to be one of the easiest things you can kind of do there, and that's exactly what I'd recommend starting off with. The second thing to understand too is that these updates are coming out in a rolling basis. So they're not available for everybody just yet, but they're going to be available for everybody at a certain point. So keep that in mind. It's going to be, still coming out in a rolling basis, but for now, that's basically where we're at with it. Now, when you make your way over to Spotify, if you don't see a banner up here, try closing out of the Spotify application and try opening it back up. Sometimes, like I said, that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if you see this prompt, go ahead and tap on Let's Go, and you will see that Spotify will then go ahead and tell you and show you your Spotify Wrapped. So now what you can do is you can kind of go through and see your Spotify Wrapped for 2025. You can scroll through and you can see what songs that you're listening to and all these other things. So at this point, you can also share it to your story, but that's essentially how you kind of go through and kind of start off with it. So those are a couple ways to do it. Keep in mind, it's going to be coming out on a rolling basis, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.